What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Myro is a Solana-based dog meme coin that honestly was taking the world by storm. It was catching a lot of popularity and still is catching a lot of popularity. The conversation was hovering around it because Solana-based meme coins were all of the rage, and Myro was one of those ones that was definitely making huge moves. And you saw the popularity within it. And I made a video on it well back when, and I also talked about it on Twitter, and it got a lot of traction. It showed the level of popularity that I love to see, and I got into the play. Did I buy a lot of it? No, I didn't buy a lot of it, but I definitely am thinking of buying more today. I'll show you my position now, but I do want to purchase more probably before this video ends, or at least this video is posted. So anyways, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. But make sure you check out all of the links for Myro, which will be at the top of the description. Now, just to give you a little sense of exactly what it is, welcome to Myro. Myro, the dog named after Solana co-founder Raj's dog, Myro. So that's basically what it is. It is a meme coin built on the Solana chain, and we feel like it was one that was going to stick more than any other meme coin that's created, because the meme coin craze, especially within the Solana chain, was huge, and it still is. You have Dog with Hat, which is up to like an $800 million market cap. You have Bonk, that's up to like $1 billion market cap. So where Myro can go from where it is right now up to those levels, if not a lot further, honestly, it's the sky's the limit for where this can go. So that's really what got me excited, and that's what it's all about. Different places that you can purchase it, just to kind of get that out of the way, right? KuCoin, Polynex, HTX, MEXC, BingX, Bybit, Bitmart, all of those, all these different places. And if we went over to where it is, it's currently at around 9.5 cents. It's up 5% on the day. If we look at the market cap, it's at a $90.3 million market cap with $64 million worth of volume. So this is not some sort of, chump or pump and dump cryptocurrency at all. It has $64 million worth of volume, and it's been seeing this much volume for quite some time consistently. We're seeing 71.95% volume to market cap ratio. It shows me exactly, what it is, where it's going to go, and all of that. The circulating supply, majority of the circulating supply is out there. Again, makes me really, really hype about the play and exactly where this is going to go. Again, the markets that it's available on: Bybit, KuCoin, HTX, BingX, MEXC, Bitmart, and so on and so forth. 46 other pairings that you have there for a Solana-based meme coin. A lot of other meme coins can't say the same. So what are we making this video for? What are we here to talk about? I want to talk about the level of popularity, and not only by the level of popularity, by talking about the volume, because volume is great. The volume, $64 million worth of volume, absolutely fantastic to see. But there's another form of popularity, and that's who's talking about it. So if you go over on Twitter, first you're going to see their Twitter has 53.6K followers, and you're going to see a lot of the traction, a lot of the movement, you're going to see a ton of likes that go through these different posts, and a ton of people that are working, with Myro. And it's just fantastic, right? You even see Offset, and I have Offset's post. Offset has a post talking about Myro, cop some Myro as my first crypto ever. Myro Group sent me this. So this is huge, right? To be able to have someone with 4.8 million followers that comes out and says, look, I see the potential in this. I see what's going to happen. You have that. That's a huge connection, huge celebrity endorsements, and not really just like endorsements, but people that are buying it, right? People that are purchasing it. And you have DDG that's also saying that Bitcoin is running again. So I got back into crypto space to trade some memes. Came across Solana because of a meme coin called Myro. Have a bag now. So you see what Myro's all about. You see that they're gathering a lot of attention and a lot of traction. So I've been talking about them for a little bit. I've been mentioning the fact that they're the ones that are making moves. If you look at a lot of other ones that are created, you really just see them traded on Jupiter or traded on, Radium, but you see that you have multiple exchanges sitting here. You have multiple forms of popularity when it comes to celebrity posts, when it comes to, YouTubers that are talking about it, when it comes to just the overall like volume that comes through the door through these exchanges. It's absolutely fantastic to see. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention really quick and talk about the potential. So if we were going to compare it, let's say we were going to compare this to just where Bonk is right now. And I hope that we can like type it in. Maybe we can type in Bonk. Maybe we can compare it where Bonk is right now. And if Bonk can come up, or if this can come up to the market cap of where Bonk is, because Bonk is at a $1.65 billion market cap, or right now currently at a $1.45 billion market cap. This is currently sitting at a $90 million market cap. You get up there, even up to $1 billion, you're looking at basically a 10x, or up to where they are, which would be 1.45, I believe, 1.45, let's say 1.5, you're looking at a 15x return within Myro just to get up to where Bonk is. And we know that Solana-based meme coins, especially ones that have a huge narrative, especially ones that have a lot of popularity, will absolutely take off. So it getting up to that point, 10x, 15x kind of standard as you look at that with all of the levels of popularity. Now, if I go into what I do have as well, if I go into my Coinbase wallet, you're going to see that I do have Solana in here. So I am planning on actually purchasing maybe a little bit more Myro. But I currently have $111 of Myro right now, which is 1,135, 1,137 Myro currently. And I plan on kind of tripling that level, getting me to about 3,000. Because if you're looking at 10x or up to $1 billion, right, you're looking at a $1 price point. So I can go from, $300 to $3,000 at that point. And I believe it can go a lot further, as long as we continue to see more of the same, which is the level of popularity. This is like when I looked at Jasmy Coin, when I was first purchasing Jasmy Coin, which is one of my bigger plays, I was looking at the volume to market cap ratio. And that's the thing that held me into that position so long, because the popularity was there. And for Myro to have volume to market cap ratio of 72% is massive. Like, it shouldn't go unnoticed that this has this high of a volume to market cap ratio, meaning that it should be at a lot higher of a market cap, but it's taking its time. It's making these moves to get up to those levels. So it's fantastic to see this. I just wanted to call this out, wanted to talk about it. And, the celebrities that are talking about it has absolutely been amazing. So guys, make sure you check it out. Check out Myro down below. Again, I mentioned this in a previous video. If you want to check out that video, which breaks down everything else, not just the popularity behind it, but breaks down a lot more, I'll link that at the end of this video. Or in the card somewhere. I'll make sure I get it up there. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out all of those links for Myro down below. Check out my Margex link if you want to sign up for Margex. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.